Sometimes on your Facebook profile, you may have added your current town or city, but others will say they're not able to see this option. Sometimes it's because you have set your audience visibility to only me. That means only you can see it, and others cannot. In this video, we'll show you how to solve this problem. For that, we need to change the audience visibility from only me to public, friends, or friends of friends. Anyways, open the Facebook app. After opening it, you can see a button like this. Click on it. When you click on that, you'll see your profile name. Tap on your profile name. Then you'll see personal details. Next to it, there's a pencil-like button. Click on that. Now you'll see your current city or town. Just tap on it. Sometimes it will be set to only me, which is why others can't see it. If you want others to see it, tap on Who can see this. After that, you can select Public. When you select Public, everyone will be able to see it. But if you don't want everyone to see it and only want your friends to see it, you can choose Friends. Or if you want friends of friends to also see it, you can select Friends of Friends. So both friends and friends of friends will be able to see it. From your friends list, if you want to hide it from someone, tap on Friends Accept, then select the person you want to hide it from. After that, everyone except that person can see it. There's also a specific friends option. If you select that, only the selected people can see it. And don't choose only me, because we want to fix that problem. For example, I'm selecting Public. After that, tap on the Done button. Then you'll see the Save option. Click on Save. When you click on that, the settings will be saved. So this is how you can easily solve the problem of others not being able to see your current city or location on your Facebook profile. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.